So what is up mga ka-tech shop? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Redmi Note 10. No power and not charging. So nothing at all. If you're interested in this video mga ka-tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you're gonna learn on my channel. Let's go! Let's start with disassembling the phone. Let's remove the back cover. Just apply heat on the edges of the back cover and start prying using blade or a prying tool like a guitar pick. Alright, once done, you should have access to the second layer of the back cover. You should have access to the screws. You'll need to remove all the screws. You'll need to remove the camera protector and then this back cover. So I usually clean up the old glue before doing any troubleshooting. And then let's remove the SIM card tray. Now we can now remove this back cover. Alright, just be careful because the fingerprint still attached to this back cover. And the problem for this phone is power switch not working. I cannot press properly the power. It might be a power switch or power button problem. So I used multi-tester. Seems that there's no short circuit on the motherboard. And then I verified if the current coming from the charger is going to the motherboard, which is good. So I powered it on and was able to turn it on. So meaning it's just the power button that's not working. And I think there's also a problem with the battery, but after we deattach the battery and attach it back, it works fine again. I think that's the problem. Now I'm fixing the power button, which is attached to this back cover. So we'll need to position it properly so that once we press the power button, it's gonna turn on, or it's gonna function properly. Now we are ready to put the back cover back to its frame and then put all the screws, and then that's it. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're interested on tools that I've been using in my repairs, you can also check the links on the description. Let's go!